Hello guys, today I have got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your iPhone. At first open the settings. Here, go straight to the Bluetooth. Now open the case. Put your earbuds both into the case. And now take it out. They should start flashing red and blue. Here now in the devices list, you should see your Vervebuds 250. Tap them. And now in your earbuds you should see Hello Moto, and you're done. Goodbye.